Hello, students. I hope you all are unlocking yourselves with precautions. Today, we are going to do the chapter Bruno Makes a Discovery. We have already done in the Zoom class, but again we will do it so that those who had not attended can go through the chapter. Students in the picture, see this. This is Bruno and she is Bruno's mother. Now when Bruno he comes one day home, he finds that everyone is packing. His maid, Maria, she is rummaging through his belongings. She's packing them all. Now, over here, Bruno is a 9-year-old boy. He lives in Berlin, Germany. And as I told you, he entered his home. He saw his family maid, Maria. She was packing his belongings. So he asked her to stop. But she just shakes her head, and Bruno's mother, she comes and explains that Maria is packing all of Bruno's things. So Bruno over here, he is very much surprised and he finds that why this is happening. Has I done something wrong? Have I done some mischief that they are shifting me away? But later on, from his mother, he comes to know that all of them are shifting from there. It's not only Bruno, but his mother, his father, sister Gretel, and the maids and the cook, that is butler, they all are shifting to the other place. So over here, Bruno, he feels that if I go away from here, then what about my friends? How will I make new friends? So his mother, she says that you will find new friends over there. So, and they are very much not going to come back to that place. So, when Bruno tells Maria to not touch his things, but then he sees that Lars, the butler, he is also likewise packing mother's things. So, mother asks Bruno to come downstairs with her so that she may explain what is happening. Now, Bruno, he races mother down to the dining room. They have a big staircase where they are having the side panels, you can say, where you hold the stairs and you move down. So he sits on there and he slips down and he reaches before his mother. So she tells him there is nothing to worry about and that he has done nothing wrong to cause the move. She explains that his father's job in the army necessitates their moving far away from Berlin from the time being. He, because of his father's transfer, they all have to move. So then Bruno, he thinks about the jobs that his best friends at school says their father have, such as greengrocer and chef, and realizes he is unsure exactly what his father does for a living. So he only knows that soldiers are always in and out of the house. So mother tells Bruno that their beautiful 5-story house will be closed while they are gone. Because Bruno, he asks his mother, Ki, who's going to take care of our house? Are the maids or the chef, the butler are going to stay over here? So she said, no, we are going to lock and go away. And he says, are we going to come back? So she says, we are not sure about it. So Bruno is sad that he will have to leave his friends as he loves to cause mischief with them. But mother says that this is the end of the matter. That she is not sure whether they will come back or not. And as Bruno has his sister Gretel, she is 3 years older to him. But he doesn't mix up with her because she always orders him. She is very much in her own this. She doesn't plays with him and nothing. So then, and even Bruno, he asks his mother whether the grandmother and grandfather are also going to join them. So she says yes, they will also join. So then after that, he saw that his mother, her herself is not happy to leave the house. Even she doesn't want to leave Berlin and go away. But due to his father's duty, they have to go. And the Maria, she's packing about the things and she pulls out the belongings out of the wardrobe without any care or consideration. Even the things he has hidden at the back of the belong to him were nobody else's business. He felt that no, like Maria, she's all taking out the things which he had hide away, and he is very sad also. Students, read the lesson very properly so that we can discuss about it in our next class. Thank you.